Hey guys, welcome back to team building. So, I hope you guys played this game during the day, and we're going to show you now how we did it. Alright, we got it. So now we're going to take some time to talk about what we just did. So guys, what are some things that made this difficult?
I think it was that we really had to communicate and figure it out, and if we didn't, then we wouldn't have been able to find a strategy.
Sometimes it was hard if you got all the way almost done and you tried to move back or you did something you couldn't, so you had to start all the way over. And it was kind of a long process, so you just had to make sure that you were careful and followed the rules.
So what are some ways that we can apply this to our daily lives?
I feel like the whole idea of a process, life is a process, and we have to be willing to work with others to get through that process and try different strategies, sometimes maybe start over.
And I think it's good how they always moved forward, and it's always good in life to just move forward, and some things may happen, but just never go back, always work forward towards new goals.
Yeah, and another thing, we want to move back. If we mess up, we want to go back.
To a safe
In this situation, we could start over, but in daily life, we can't start over. Something bad.
Yeah, it's true.
It's also nice to know that we don't have to move everything at once. We could just move one piece at a time, and it makes it a lot simpler.
Yeah,
Just
taking
one
step at a time.
And what are some ways that we can apply this to our spiritual lives and our walk with God?
I feel kind of the same thing that Emma said, kind of with our spiritual lives as well, knowing that when you grow, you're not just growing in your walk with the Lord all at once. It's lots of times different segments of growth and different steps of growth. So,
Yeah.
I think it's also nice to know that even if you start over on this, you can just keep going. Sometimes when you get down spiritually or feel like you've fallen behind, there's nothing saying you can't start over until you get to the goal.
Right.
Alright, well thank you guys so much for playing this game with us. We'd love to hear what you guys think about it, so tell us down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!